Aisha of Aisha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Well, today, y'all, I am going to be supplementing some t-shirts for my twins. They're having a Valentine's dance at school tomorrow, and I am super excited because they was like, Mama, can you make us these shirts? And I was like, yeah, you know your mama can do that. So I am going to be making them these shirts. One wanted pink, one wanted red. So I have went into Creative Fabrica and I've already pulled the designs that they wanted. They picked their own designs, and I'm going to be printing them out on, as you see right here, my Epson ET8550. And I'm going to be using my Better Sub 15 by 15 heat press to press the designs on these shirts. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright everyone, so I'm going to start with the pink shirt, and I bought this shirt from Walmart. So I'm just going to take it, place it on my press just like so. Alright, always remember to lint roll. I need to pull this one off. Make sure you lint roll your shirts. That is just to get, that is just to get any dirt or debris off. Because that's a little piece right here. Okay. Alright, so I dropped my tape. Always have your tape measure also so you can measure your shirt. And so kids' shirts is a little different from adults' shirts, so because they're smaller. But I'm going to show you, this is the design that one of my twins wanted, the one who's going to be wearing the pink. So I let them choose their own designs. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tear around the edges here, just making sure that I do not tear the design. Sometimes I cut it with my scissors, but today I'm just going to do tearing. So let's see. All right, so I'm just going to put my design on here toward the middle. Now with kids, with my shirt, I normally come down about 4 fingers from the neckline. So I'm just going to do about 2 fingers for my twins. So I'm going to go to about right here. Okay. So I'm just going to take my measuring tape and just measure it, just to make sure it's even on both sides. And then I'm just going to go ahead and measure it. Now my twins, they wear a little larger size than some kids. And that's about even. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add my supplementation tape. Now it just depends on the size of the kids. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add my heat tape here. Always add your heat tape, at least I do. This is just to hold your design down. Make sure it does not come up. And one thing I forgot to do, that I need to do, is get my butcher paper and place it on the inside of my shirt. Okay? So I'm just going to place it. I'm going to place some here on the bottom, because last time I got a new thing here and I don't want to mess it up. So I'm just going to place some butcher paper at the bottom. And then I'm going to place some on the inside of my shirt. So make sure you do that. because you don't want to mess up your heat press and you don't want to mess up your shirt. So I'm just going to take just a little small piece and just place it right underneath my design, right here. So make sure you do that. Alright, so I'm just going to take another piece and place it on top of my design. You want a piece that's going to cover the entire design. Okay, I think that's going to work. So I'm going to cover it up. I have my heat press set at 400 for 60 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and press. Alright, it has been 60 seconds. So now I want to, as you see it came through the paper, and I was just check my heat press just to make sure. Okay, so I'm not going to use this butcher paper again because the design came through on the paper. So y'all ready? We finna reveal and see how this look. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh y'all, this is beautiful. Look. Oh, that came out great. As you see, all of the ink came off the paper. So again, I'm using my ET8550 sublimation converted sublimation printer, and I'm using the Hippo ink. Y'all, I'm loving this Hippo ink and this 8550. Ooh, ooh. Look at this. Look at what your girl done did. That's so cute. It says, "You won my heart," and it has the it's like the tic-tac-toe. So I'm gonna let my twin try this on. All right, everyone. So remember I told you one of my twins wanted red, so she changed her mind. She wanted to go with the pink also. So we're gonna go with the pink. I'm gonna place it on here just like this, just like I did the other pink. Now this one is a Gildan shirt. So I'm going to take it and go ahead and lint roll it. Get any lint off. Now she had chose one other design, but we're going to do this one. I think this one's going to look super cute on this pink. Okay, so just going to tear the bottom. Remember, just do not tear your design. And I'm going to tear the top of it. Okay, so here it is. Super cute. I'm going to put it here in the middle. Going to come down 2 fingers from the neckline. I'm going to go about right here in this area. This is a medium shirt. So try to make sure it's straight. Go ahead and use my heat tape to, once it looks straight to me. Okay. Let me straighten it out a little bit. Okay, go ahead and put the heat tape down. Because, you know, this is for my girls, my twins, but I still like for their things to look neat also. That's just the way I am when I'm doing something. You want to make it look presentable. So I'm taking my tape measure and just measuring each side. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my, now you can put butcher paper in here, that's totally up to you, but I'm not, because this is a darker pink than the first one I did. So I'm just gonna cover the design up with the butcher paper, but I'm not gonna put any underneath it, but that's totally up to you if you want to. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're going to press it. 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open it. And as you see, a lot of times, that's why you have to have the butcher paper on there, because I'm not sure if you can see this. Yeah, you can see it. You see those hearts? If the butcher paper had not have been here, those hearts, that design would have been on the top of my heat press. So that's why you use butcher paper, to protect your heat press and to protect your shirt from a lot of the heat, direct heat, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see how this looks. Oh, this is cute, y'all. I love it. See, all the ink came off the paper. Y'all, look at this. And I always put butcher paper down on the bottom of my heat press. That is just, you know, for me, because one time I did have sublimation to go through the shirt and get on my my bottom thing here. So I just got another one, and I don't want to have that happen, so that's why I put this butcher paper at the bottom. Okay, so y'all, look at this. It's cute. Oh, I love it. They're gonna be so cute for their dance. Look at that, y'all. All right, let me see if I can get them in here to put this on. All right, everyone, so here is one of the twins who chose this design right here. There she is. You want to say hello? All right, y'all, so this is how it looks. How do you like it? Thumbs up?
Mm-hmm.
So you ready for the dance tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, twin. I'm going to show you the other twin. She's taking her time. She's trying to do her hair, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is my other twin who chose this design. It says, "You won my heart." And there she is right there. You want to say hey? Hi. How do you like the shirt? Wait a minute. Wait. 2 thumbs up. Okay, I got 2 thumbs up from you. Okay. You ready for the dance tomorrow? All right, y'all. So I need to go and wash her hair, and we're about to go ahead and get this done tonight. So, all right, y'all. So I wanted to show y'all these shirts, what I made for my twins and for their dance. You said you ready for the dance?
Uh-huh.
You ready for the dance?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Okay. You want to say something?
Hi. Happy Valentine's Day.
All right, everyone. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you enjoy your Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to each and every one of you. And always remember, love is meant to be each and every day, not just on Valentine's Day. But anyway, go ahead, enjoy yourself, have fun, and remember to be safe, be blessed, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.